Hi friends, this video shows how to connect this wired mouse to iPhone. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. See, we need an adapter like this. This is USB type C to USB adapter. In this USB port, here we can connect wired mouse, and this pin, this USB type C pin, we can connect to iPhone. Let me connect this wired mouse to this adapter. Done. After this, I am going to connect this adapter to iPhone. Let me connect adapter to iPhone. Okay, done. After that, in iPhone, go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go to accessibility. Go to touch. Go to assistive touch. Turn on assistive touch. Done. After this, I am going to test this mouse. See, it's working. So this way we can connect wired mouse to iPhone. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.